Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to everybody. It's been a while. This is UDP Gas Media. We wanted to be reactivating it all the time, so it will be good if people could watch it, because it is the official page for Facebook page for UDP Gas. That is the gas mean Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Holland, and Belgium. So other countries are part of it, like Luxembourg and others are part of gas. So mbe mo be konton nambal tentu lambal jaila nata minadrong abe kela kacha sutuneti te kacha te jamfala bake bara be mu Gambia kuole ti drong prunsi Gambia la kuole kacha nimi ye mira banko nyimbita kan nyamin presently Ngajele president is making a mandatory requirement of the constitution prokata kabanko murumurun once or twice in a year under the taxpayers money. So abeo kanne wobe caring ngaje fanang diamol milbe ke kanje aning in social media kuma jamalu be fokang diamu jamal be caring ku jamal be caring. So nse diamuno ku jamala mi ya lonko abe bete ala banko la kuoto bake. Ngajele President Wulita from Bara abe banko be minina barala tedula follow wo fam mu problem wala ti Gambia wala mu barati bari fonga mwele barankol ye la problemo fo president we kaitandala ko ntelude na life is at risk nkanyim ferio min kuntu e ma faye so sai yamira president be min keka amaje ntel Gambia dingul le nyal to ban bari nimmin fana ma wo understand yalo ninyin president lo tata tola e kamol minul alaw pour ye diamu ikake mollete minuli ya lonko itele lafta wole mimfo wolka wolefo ibuka bankola kumo foye wakake balafa baleti bankola kuoto president be midi farmer store or midi people store, but this is a constitutional requirement olo munyinti anyanta kanyinkele barabe nyintamu minkeka mbenga jeleko this is purely political amanke fenti mimbe banko mol nafaka mfen minul ba noka la entourage minul ba noka mtelu nyata tanku doku lalu jolalu mbe nkawolu jole bi hani PDOIS mi ya lonka buka crowd fan sotono ni government ko okay PDOIS nal fanal bitala lam tola ka banko be yayi momo tartal no kambe jola le padie mola haniko $1,000 doro ali ajube fo PDOIS a caravano be kala jellete albe thousands of vehicles le jele nom albe thousands of people le jele no kan I'm not feeling good wala hatina mfamata Facebook auto bari sometimes you ika sile ye mira you must say something because nabe kono it makes you sick bari mimu problemot nkana fasi na banko lo munyim bankote na banku dingolu ila ko kolayata bake ntel nga mutale ko mbe banko molu mako e kanne ntel nga mutako nka banko molu nke mako ele nga mutako nkanna banko molu mbe mako e kanne bari ninga ajen na banku dingul ka manya sifa minke wati doli ka fole ko fonka min fo e ka moyle ba ha e ka moyle bari mune mu problem oti minala woleto min mun na molla problem oti ni afo isafo karibulata molla hani man bulela e ka ko fono molela horomo kono ini man almawali enima wali Adama Barrow be tola aya follow from nyomi ay atata ay hakalan silo jube hakalan silo aya jube Adama Barrow lota podium ota ako mol kana nendiroke isi nendirobla on social media bare aliya remember ko Adama Barrow endorse Gambia no le ko alsikari Barrow media empowerment jube wala ka kibar kendo fal bare wo Barrow media empowerment nga Fat Janje jele andu ye Fat Janje fo ko she is part of our media team Fat Janje min kalo aka Gambia benen because I abulata UDP bela janne aye benen alpha benin UDP supporter keta fewo fenda I am be pak nyola akenya package I am benen bari ya fole officially alaji bambolem ako na media molle be jang Fat Janje wolu ay tolfo so it's not something new so Baroka statement o minfo aka kumolu minulfo very good statements niatara ko nga korosin na attitude kono bari faka ma wala nyama ba directly opposite aka minfo aka minfo abuka minfo ataka bara wolela so this is very simple wala yatina Adama is going on tour nta moyla min diata mole ni aje mbina la nyina be pour kamol la mind is openly demanding I've seen a lot what do nka sinna bunko na jana I laugh nka jele I have been saying this nganyim for ne fonga fonko alnga try mentally ngam fawol la mental capacity nyim bill before this election because mbe ku jamal le jala mbe ku jamal le moyla this is their modus operandi because they have no policy so nika finti imagine a minister, a state minister, akolo akafogo Ali Abubakar Dabo. Ayato falina Ali alon jumalo Abubakar Dabo ti legi defa am turbu es. Fitele Hussein Dabo ulu. Ahmed Ba is doomed. Ahmed Ba is somebody who like to deceive Gambians. But because Mtel Gambiano lefangave, Ahmed Ba is smart. Ahmed Ba is not smart. He is just somebody, Miyalonko, he is selfish, he is hypocritical, he is a liar. I'll say sorry, Nanyin Kumola. Because Usenu Dabo Mbengalon long time. ANM Usenu Dabo. ANM. So Imanyo Nyinin Kafa, Munamala empty. But because they think that they are far behind the time, they don't know, so they are insulting our people, and we are allowing that. We the people minuli alonko na alpha minuli wulu ya kata molye yansamba from the kindergarten, nursery school to primary school to middle or high school, college, universities, but until faul kasi nkawolu nene supporting our ministers ikanamolu nene. Then I to be honest to you, I will be giving until a view mint kuoluto. Until a view kuoluto minto mbekari wofola moliele. You know, ku dantal lebeje milialon ko chochobe wararing. Milma relevant. Not relevant at all. Ngajele molka video bondi. Ikafoko Adama Barrow man mo jama soto Njabakunda, amam mo jama soto Farafenye, amam mo jama soto Malo Mundo. In contrary, nkaje Adama Barrow fanana media empowerment, ika video bondi, showing a large population. Should that be wala nyanta kelantela argument ba? Why can't we talk about the 5-point agenda that UDP has? But because they go low, we want to go low with them. They go low, we go high. This is our mantra. Until we shouldn't even be part of them. Kafoko, they have produced a large crowd. Ali Adama Barola convoy jelebang mimba noka. Should that be our argument? We have important things to do. We have a president who is not serious. He doesn't even know what he is doing. But Mba Folokan, they think that they are causing panic into people. And this thing is working for them. I just want to talk to people. Minulia Lonko, Ika Filko, Itelu, Imam Bambang. And we have very strong Gambians. This is not the temperament of Gambians. This is not the temperament of Gambian. We need to be strong and ibe kuoku kekan along why ibe kekan. Today we saw Kabrin Kunungaje on social media, ye mo bondi mi along ko eko abotanang UDP le another NPP without even doing investigation and in Kad Jamalu. Without even doing your own investigation. Now what people are doing, releasing audios. Yes, this is a crime. Yes, of course it's a crime. Of course, it's a crime. The person did a crime. But now, what should we do? Rather than hear audio data, or you go and write a large statement on the social media, putting confusion into people, try to explain people why this thing is supposed not to happen. Engage the IEC. You can call as a citizen, concerned citizen, engage the IEC. Call the police PRO, engage him by yourself. But no, what people are talking about, what our political leaders are doing, they are not going to engage these people. You know that anybody concerning about Adama Barrow's issue, police would not do anything to it. So why should we repeat ourselves? Are we not creating room for violence? Until finally serious then. Because Adama is not serious because he wanted to create confusion and violence. Now until finally support ka working. And it is working for them then. Why these people can use our intelligence and fool us? Engage the IEC. This is a serious crime. Somebody puts kataka mola voters card of taka bloody mbusokono. Ntega nyimfo mole nkaleko albe sai jama lejala. Sai jama albe wol lejala. When it come to this election, sai jama balde. Andung Milka information disseminate. Be very much careful. Who is giving you information? How do you obtain your information? Information, it can provide no nyadile because it's a mantaraje, which means somebody is giving you the information. Do you establish to know who this person is or where is this person getting his sources from? Ndesitara doko ke kanole as informant to Adama Barrow, barinal be doko la alta lonna, trying to give you people false information so that alkawofo naliafo nal proof ko it is wrong. So when the people knows that parinila information it can prove wrong. So should people even listen to them? This is the intelligence they are sometimes using on us. So this ID card, voters card issue of this Mr. Cisse of Chamin, I don't know the name of the place around that Bolongo Konolo. That man, Jumalom among us minul beba fokanko UDP nkolo, who investigated kafoko UDP la chairman olo munyinti. Jumala investigate among us. Who? Nimbota UDP journale, nimambo UDP sign. Abota UDP journale. Anumbira abota UDP. Atata NPP le, womu journal, the woman can sign it. So, but where do he get the voters card? Birabe voters card ol bondila. Ama bulodun damma ya bondi aya jube la kilin sabana Who knows whether minul baby je voters card lomba football mo ID card because I may be bondi ke be display. I'm buso kono ka abulo le dum anda ma bon amachika santo. Na ala mbusu ala jube aya bon mbuso kono nyami. Aya jube la jube ate sulata mimbondo la ka o kilingo bonde. Aya itande. Mafuko voters card ol tije. Mafuko they are not expired voters card. Mafoko imanke current voters card. I didn't say that because nitafana mawo cross check. But now Jumale investigation ke Jumalo munyinti. Ali halonko nyin molu ni kanana. Adama Barrow fangola close associates. Ike ifanale mole soto inyantaka kodo busi Adama Barrow la nyamin. So that they give them few thousands of dollars. The rest they put it in their pocket. That is very key for Adama Barrow bi kambuso fandi ID card voters card or kaita ndalago nyimmo baby carte o diletal. How can Adama Barrow be sure of that? How can Adama Barrow be sure of that? So ninga kuje. Before we will start pinpointing Kafugo, na opposition leader nyanta fintilale, they have to talk about this, they have to alia miracle every Tom, Dick and Harry. Nyata ko opposition or patio katama wala nyama. Today UDP is 25 years some days. Will UDP be there up to today? Every single thing they need to come out and then make clarification when the body is there. You are Gambian. Call IEC. Complain there. Send them the evidence. It's very simple. This is a crime. It's a crime. It's a crime. What was done is a crime. Alinkana chance the Adamala to have an easy ride. Alinkana chance the Ala to have easy ride. Alinkana okay. Ninga chance the Alarek, he will have an easy ride and abentella batanla. Gambian will be in a kejan koteke. When the economic Intelbe command economic when they are coming, even if they are Senegalese. Why this 625 military officers been knowledge until we are not at war? In fact, Milbija laftale wole finti. Yalong wole claim. Bari, nyimu UN la mandatory issue leti. Economic bukata bankoka wanyama. ECOWAS found the matter decide nola. UN must be involved because UN is the general body. Full endorsement okay. So why Senegalese people? Why the Senegalese people? Because our president is interested in Senegalese people. Simple because of Ayafilko, Senegalese people will kantella language for and ni tell okay reason at ECOWAS level, at AU level, at UN level, UN bajelal ko important tale. Wolle kan na kanfo, they know our culture, we know their culture. Until ni wolle be nyobala. But in fo nyina tale ko ni election obekela observer sol le kana andung secondly mfawol kasi koteke ntel fangol nkasi nkafuko yesene yenyil nati minna every polling station ibe mofula le sambale. How many polling stations are we going to have the whole Gambia? Do you find it out? Do we find it out? Thank you, brother Lamin Conte. Do we find it out how many polling stations? Mbewole shot like Gambia. How many ECOWAS soldiers are in Gambia? Why the ECOWAS soldiers will go to our polling station? They will try to intimidate people so that hey, Gambia, is this the first election from independent? Juma Lenene involved into the election process? Akakenya adile. So we shouldn't be causing unnecessary alarm to our people. It is not necessary. I'm unnecessary at all. I'm unnecessary. Let us bring facts. yaje nibe banko kele kan we thinking that we are doing the right thing nimbe banko kele kan al nga kele tonya kan because nga believe le ko mimbe banko maraka mantra marakan tonya kan so otalintel nga kele tonya kan ku kana tinandi lan kombe kangola lale kan no you see the economic wol nene bu kana banko dingol no kan if there is any problem they protect banko more of the leadership Allah hierarchy e ka wole control but if there is anything e ka wetelle fan follow muta yes you see tonyalom Senegal's interest into Gambia alnga tonya fonyoye amandiantel Gambia dingule amandianya hani domanding but we cannot do away with Senegal. President Bembulu Mimman protocol understand. We have to admit that. But Senegal is not our enemy. Andu nta make so no lako nteni te laftala nyami na opposition leader so will finally Senegal attack wo nyama tout and nail. Macky Sall lafita kuwo kula Gambia he can get it. Malum fonga wolone. You know, ma understand the power of Senegal. They are more powerful than us. Militarily, Ninatila technocrats, they have more than us. Senegalese are everywhere in the international communities. Just tell me, just one, it is Senegalese jela daming. Senegal, they are more powerful than us. So, mimbe caring, ntafula kombe fight la with fitinola. Nechitala no fitinola. We have to engage them. But in Senegal, ya jeko. The next government, Miminala, they wanted to boycott us. They don't want to do anything with us, which Senegal would not like. Ali America, Senegal will give easy right to those opposition to come? No, they will make sure that they do everything so that that opposition don't come. Alin kana na kelo da fanunde, nimmo be kana kele. Adama is our focus. Dunia be Senegal wall, dunia be Senegal Georgia. Our Gambian people are there. We can write petitions. We can do many things. But ninko petitions are for mobukake. What we are good at, we just sit. Audio binale la telephone kon. Ika delete le foye bata. Audio binala drone. Audio binala drone. Because everybody sit at your corner. Yellow button of press, which is good. Every Gambian is doing fine. We appreciate that. But how can we put that into reality? The reality. We have to show that we are determined, we are serious of whatever we are doing. We cannot, Senegal be minke kamola. It is not correct. But it's our leadership. So let's look for a better leadership so that that leadership will be able to work with Senegal hand and glove at the kela kutimi yalongo Senegal lebe kelanka walante lebe keleka. No. We cannot be in war with Senegal. Alinga wo bula. Alinga wo bula. Let us just be vigilant. Nga make sure ko ni lafta kuke nga itandila ko we know what you people are up to. We don't want to do this. There are international bodies and alma ali along alma along. Every political party ye mol soto le milia lonko wolle kamarela external affairs kuola wol mantra sirin drong they don't give them the portfolio yatra sirin they don't act on issues no they act fanal ka act le ikela kuol kele but dude is it necessary wolio ikaminke ya samana mole Facebook oto kaitande molla ba no they don't need it. They don't need it. The authority ka do ko minke. Foi wol nyanta wo expose la mole. Le do ko ka man sakunda bu ka tama wo nyama. There is no social media government. That everything having e-government system ni mbenga believe leko our 5-point agenda. They want to make e-government system just to make things digital system, to make things easier. To make things easier. Pourquoi les sonoya, communication les sonoya, dokulal bese la doko. Ali aje janne. Dr. Larry Seasoning, Olidiba Wada, when they came, they don't even need Kafoko every time ministers will be going to president's office. No, ila weekly dokuo. They will create an account, Mia Longo, Altelie Minke. You have to send that to the president's office. So that niete bula minna emma woke the president came na la computer ke ondro abalo na ko Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Trade this week imanyinke, so it will tell they will read to you people and ask munama la constraint munal manyinke, so they will be constantly under scrutiny. We have serious policy. Honestly, let's trust our policy. Let's trust it. Nimiye time soro. Read about what they have for health. My brothers and sisters, Gambia is the only country. Ikata damin lopitanoto. Scanning, you have to pay. Some scanning, you have to pay up to $5,000. What is the average salary for Gambian? When we talk about salary, ibuka foko those people paid from the high. No, ika jubele minule alonko from the low to the high. Gambia mol bijele milbe joka less than $1,000 ila. Less than $1,000. Sai we sa ika faiko inyanta X-ray kelale scanning kela of $4,000. And there is no health insurance. So alta UDP la manifesto alia jube, what do they talk about? Health. Are they going to give insurance, or how are they going to make it possible for every Gambian to have a fair health processes? Alunga wolle jube. Rather than IEC knows about this voters card issue. Let Alankana na telephone fandi nying message la. Ala find out who is this Alaji Sise. Abota muntoleto. Aluol contact. Aliwol nyininka. Abota muntoleto. Muntumalo nyimbota UDP. This man bota UDP junale. But there is a plan that ko alangata nga nyaku nga kodi jama busala. Ando amanke ko womu nyille fa la plantide mo le fanal ka nyim plano du itel bulu wala katara koma so wala katara itel fanal nim president o tema so that nyim mo le mi halongo amam ko do long muna Modou Moussa Ndiaye dingo Ousseynou Ndiaye alma ne man kafar kele fulobe al nene amole Ousseynou Ndiaye ka ko do tinya because wol wuluta ko do le kono they know about money. Barnte Moussa mimbe sirinja bi na lente sindale million landi nyakoto ntama million long. Yeah. Aliyo ko di jamal la ni nyakoto nyabe sanol jela Gambia la reserve nyaba jela. I have the authority to withdraw Gambia la kodo and president manke signatory to any of our accounts. Bara aliya loneko nte la loi min ka taraje aniga ka implement nyami ka different le. Ika different le. So Adama la nyinto ko gele mimba noka. Gele mimba noka. It's more than 150 gele. All those gele. Who is going to pay? Because NPP buka hand fundraising. Every single dime come from Adama's pocket. Where do he get the money? This is why nyanta wale understand. Adama is most likely go amantara mansakunda kodo taka. Alunga tonyafu ni momo yentalo yalo neko nte Adama ku ndati je, but well mbe tonyala folaja mansakunda kodo. I don't believe kaka waleta baraka kodo soto nyadire. How many business people le Adama surround, and why are they pumping millions of dollars into Adama? What is their interest? Nyanta nyindula le fahamla. So Adama ning Gambia man sakunda be problem o sur dami motol minulu ya lonko Adama keta consign it. Do they pay duty waiver pour que bondi? Wo motol be they are registered yela road tax o soto income tax o soto yela insurance o soto. Who is paying them? Gambia mol manke toilet kaitol level laring. You see ninkombe kaba kamfato tela mbe tinyaro kelale al adama bulaje abe minke kan ayake adama will be accounted seriously mbe ngaji janne jip Toki government bring alaji keme sen jamme bije Usain Dabo bije Amadou Sane bije Lamin Dambo Ndiba bije mbe ngaji janne Toki's government ye mol su jam bosol la wo bosolule. Thank you very much, Duru Jaune. Thank you. Duru Jaune ko he thinks he is using taxpayers' money, but indirectly. So nkajin dulalefo. Thank you, Duru Jaune. You know, so fonga alanga wolle jube. Wo bosol nata jang. Biri wo bosol nata. Ile, where are those bosses? Nkana adamaje NPP bosol soto ye coach sol soto. Where do they get it? So those businessmen, Kalilu Wage wolu, Bubakar Jawara wolu, so many businessmen, Minuli Alongo, they are pumping money into NPP. For what purpose? Ngaje jane denki lala bota lala sign nyancho akasi koy. Anda be koy lale because ako ja oil ye dula be sang ayasa nyadil. Let me tell you people one thing. Ma foko wole keta. Ni muntala la miroti ma foko wole keta. Let's take an example from Senegal. Yusundure, how many businesses are sort of Senegal? TV stations, multi-million-dollar TV station. Where do Yusundur get that money? And Umbenga Longo Yusundur ni Macky Sall is 10. Who knows ko? Macky is the sponsor and Yusundur become the property owner. While Macky is having his share. Because African leaders, ikaparele hani bota press de yala, because in yai wealth jele, now they want to remain in that richness. Who knows, ja oil kanyim fonko surunyami, whether Barrow has a share. Whether they tell them of flow time. Because ja oil after land la dao da kasotol. How? It's just a common sense. Anga tuje, yeb dina ler. Sini audit na. Abe Senegal because Barrow ma expect ko atele betula Gambia. For Gambia be banna for dunia be banna in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 40 years. Nobody knows. Allah damala alo. Allah don't know. Andu alaka tonyale fasa. But nimbe Barrow keleka yatra inside us fania beje. Allah would not lead us to success. Mobuka Allah nene no. Isente nene no le. Ise Dudu Jaune nene no le. Isi Moro Kamara nene no le. Lamin Konte nene. Barinte Allah nene no la. So alanga Barrow kele tonya kan. Wallahi. Barrow ye mim fango damake Gambia la. What damamu until ning Barrow ning ala tema evidence leti. Clean one. Clean one. The joining of APRC and in yala almanna diamu moy woto. Almanna diamu moy. Allah. APRC supporters and sympathizers. Mbafuleko, bravo. Bravo. Gambia nyanta minkela womanke. Because Kabrim from the onset, we shouldn't wait till today. Banku dingolu mamfinti kaitandiko. We supposed to write a petition. Nga transition government nga petition o kieno. Nga itandiko, we the Gambians want APRC to be banned. But in Mawoke, APRC is a legitimate political party. Registered political party. recognized political party. So nyanta kamuneke. APRC has committed atrocities in the Gambia. Serious atrocities. Ye will cause Gambia. Tortured, maimed, rape. So now, our present government, president, coalition government, a butter from the political party because he thinks that he need to hijack that political party. Amawo keno akaya fansum party ole londi. Biraya fansum party ole londi. Ayaje ko ayamutako because I'm the president. Everybody will rally behind us. But Gambian ko le tonyajele. They don't want moming kamolu jamfa. So say a deuta fate fangwe party o mimbondi. Ay parti mimbondi. Akala ftani wole coalition oke. Momam balangani APRC coalition oke. But the problem belarin daming, those APRC officials, because they are the stamp owner of APRC, they sign and seal everything that APRC have to make with anything. They are the recognized people. Moni wol manyana sila except ya accept ko ye minke. It is wrong. And we accept ko it tell they have to distance themselves from Yaya Jammeh because Yaya Jammeh is a criminal. But in Mount Bela, in fact, they attack the body. Mia Lonko, it is there Purka Tonya Sabatindi. Your body ni attack like to ridicule them, to insult them anyhow. Nyinebe duma kabirin. By then, the president is working hand and glove with them. Kaitandilako, do not worry. I am the president. I will be in control. Wale atina rambo kasi mindiata akafo num esa falma, akafo TRRC ma, akafo momo budiata akeneng. But the APRC supporters and sympathizers, Wolman crime commit. They can go to any political party. But the executive supposed not to sit with anybody. Wolunimo patile manyana sila the executive. Kafoko we want to do something with them officially. Unkajele for this is about moral issue. This is about moral issue. Unless we don't have consent and moral. Nataje, people like OJ Jallow, he came out, Ako. In fact, they are very happy. Akwate, he is very happy. Reconciliation of Mimbekeri. You see how they deceive our own people? You see? Ikamul deceive nyame. Because Oje Jallo manka ka amalong parabe taukan. But Oje Jallo, Alnyanta, let's go back to history of Oje Jallo. Who is Oje? We thought that he was one of the youngest and the smartest guy during the First Republic. Sadauda Nata like a various ministerial mara. But all Ojela alala damages jube numbang. I minke Gambia. I dulal minul mala. I damilul mala. Water resources. Water resources. Welcome nekeno. Abotaje agriculture. Agriculture marala watu minna. Wotumo agriculture sembo soto Gambia lede. Wotumo nyintia tia sekol be dulalto. Kotondolu be bolanam base. Agriculture was powerful. The farmers ikakodo soto. Cooperative be barakaring. But wo cooperative collapsed nyadile. Cooperative collapsed nyadile. So nali korosiroke. These kind of institutions ni tata UDP la manifesto yela agriculture jube ye mune plan so. These are the kind of things ilafta. They want to bring a commercial bank. That commercial bank puruka farmers will empower to give them money. Itel sulata minna. Itel manta falosa na kadila. No. Bari ni sulata trakito na kobirangola. Ya jube ko nyinde tonyalom, he have that potential. He can pay this thing. They will give you the money. Yeta ya sang o Italia sang italafta minna yena ya dila ya for a mode of payment landie abejola no nyadile. They want to make millionaires in agriculture nyadi. You know tell ka foleko how ibo kela no nyadi because Gambia is not Las Vegas. You enter in the casino today, tomorrow you become a millionaire. No. This is not the kind of millionaires they want to make. Bin tella dinun mo bebe la kam vitamin la, mo bebe la kam protein la. Ntelu we are good at carbon dioxide and this starchy food energy, but protein and vitamin will mbelaka wala very very seriously, because our children are not even eating fruits because you can't afford no fruit dinkling iba follow go $25 fruit dinkling. Me alone was supposed to be maybe tala trans dollars $25. Nga moje ko mburo ni be mburo minus o kala je minus dosaringo damma iko dol $10 $7 lomba malo fo mburu ko $7 minus o $10 for iko ni bani mburo sana mburu ko ni minus o just mbay reso dosa kilin kaka kon it's about $14. Na dinol ka tara tulung la siloka, they need refreshment. Ni plate batata i borinta siloka batata, let them roast bitikoto ye lemonato sang bi wolo mnat kabol $35 silo can drink kata for $50. Wala nani ni mo fauntate anate jube wala ina benta kulila ni can drink ko diala aka monji la abulala jibo kono abuka minje, because unam akala file na fana tata sita suo kono abe relax kan ayami femi alonko everybody supposed to get it. Ntel ninga oje nyobulu rek nyaka bo ninga je dudu jawna bulu nyaka bo afele ninga je jere fadera bulu nyaay bo afe, because ndabu ka soto no mi alonko mbe nyanta ka wol soto le wol manyan na kila problem oti. Food sufficiency, this is what UDP government want to give to people. Imalla fin katanka man boto sang from Pakistan ikanyi manol ni long range manol ni uncle Bemsol minuli alongo mbafala American rice abe kono be noring ni nyola ikamata nyoke se mesengol le ba kono ila muso ka tombon ne fa tonka laf balana barja ikamano ta yake la rice kuka kono sometimes fa ibuka ku ka jio da male kaka commentel daltala nka ku. Until we are in a long way. So alna serious in this fight. Unnecessary issues all kawol samana on social media. Nafa tala. We have to show these people there until we are serious. What is it? Wobe Gambia nafala munela. It's called Abubakar. Hamgen kan moy Abubakar. Moy lawyer dabo. Turbo esla am. What wobe Gambia call nafala munela. So ila political maturity kalo woleto. Ahmed Ba was so quiet. Momala Bedami, there was a lot of corruption at that tourism ministry. Where under the carpet, but it is waiting for him. So Ibenyine Kela, they will talk, they will give you money, because that money that they are giving you, they know how they get it. So they want to remain getting that money. Ite tara sofaka wonya. You go to RVTH, no medicine, ambulance all Santa. Ngajele wo ambulance isu fana nata jang mo jamalu hani sign dolka audio fama bondi ha it's a gift yalo we don't have to do that. These ambulance are not gift, these are bought by Gambian taxpayers. Fonyinata SAP la janneba the supplementary budget min keta jang just recently we gave health almost $134 million because of to purchase ambulance. But wo fanan bring argument all be on. How many people follow them? Mojo leye follow. Honorable Sana Jawara Wulitale. He brought an argument. Thank you for the Pabu Krubali. Sana Jawara Wulitala Aitandiko. It is important, even when you talk about we give billion to health. But how many billion do we give to health these past years? Man will scrutinize how long, where do the money went? Sa alkonga nyim fanandi ambulance osa. Is it necessary ka ambulance o samban? Yes, but alnga kot nga material o dolusan so that they can have medication. But ye jinde ambulance o kono ite be flattering. Ikoela mo ko taita pengurla osa. Taita glufosa. Taita banda sosa. Taita bor kesolusa. Ambulance o ye nati. What is the essence of the ambulance now? Ngamira wo boro li tara lopitano to. Ambulance danta yesan. Wo ambulance borindilal wolle fanal tata moro liya ila duali jabita. Because ikatale lopitano to ambulance borindila fananka mune foete gaswelo tije. And in the hospital, even the doctor would not force the ambulance driver to go. Ibele katara kabudolom. Ibe katara kukilin. Whatever you gave, the ikatalale ba ikakenya di telle wolo. Ambulance borindila fananka fuego gaswelo tije altella couranto be lare. So now gaswelo le nyanta couranto sambala. How are they going to control mbenga loneko Gambia man to maintain mbukawoki? We will purchase because they will get their kickback. But nyindo a man kickback tajede. Everything will be clear. Ni eti ambulance of futata. Asanta minna be kwela because UN, United Nations, ila fonko mimbe K point. Let me tell you the actual name. Let me just check. I tell you people the actual name of it. Because malavi pole na fe komu sala kote. I don't just want that. Hello, Semboka wara bagele. Yeah, okay. Okay, UNOPS. This United Nations ilanyim branch aka procurementol ke bankoliele. Ndega nyinko nyinin kale de. Nga nyinin kale nga député ol fanal engage. In fact, wo député o kontanta bake. Nga député fulale engage. Pour que bela view jube. Ye mune fonye wala mu nyinti ko taxpayer solu na kodo nga nyinsa walela. So mune yatina ya di nyinu la priye purchasing ke. Nil ibuka sang coming Italian Lancino Sotole, they can buy large scale of materials from companies with good percentage of reduction. But what reduction no bukata itela jibo konode. They return it back, everything it is in document. Because it all corrupt nola. So biriya wodi wala min kesa wolye wolfanal ba jubelale like maybe Guinea Conakry or Guinea Bissau or Senegal fanan need certain material or motolula. They can buy maybe thousands of vehicles for different countries. So a Gambia dundi wala kono to produce 80 ambulance. Now I remember 70 left at the National Assembly. 70. And now it comes to 80. So which means these people have a very good deal. But abebe sena ite nyinulu bra ite nyinulu korop nola. Okay. In fact, many villages are now buying their own ambulances. We bought one of our village 5 years ago, and the neighboring village, Sutukonding. But yes, you are very right. Even Mandinaring will be ambulance or Sanjanela community. Very true. Village Jamal Bije will Gambia Sate Jamal Bije ke ambulance or Sela Molie. Thank you, Dudu Jaune. You know, so you never caring. So say birin wol ye wo sange because adama la fatala tola ye wol hawjindi pour at least some amount ye na so that he can take that kamolu nene ko ngal promise min ne maje nga sanga nataliye wala tinante nga fo député ko ali molu makoy ali radio programme olu ke ala itandiko gambian ko mbali tentula mbali jayla ali mbula minna député bunko non tata la jele nga kodo don tal bulu min tata fo million keme million tansaba ani million nani nga nyin kodo chika nga di man sakunda la priya ambulance o sangalie sai wo ambulance o lebe nakan sai ambulance o nata first stage nata 20 now 60 tuta wol fanal binala le binala wole nyama fo 60 fa be bangay ke etiti bara president ba foka be rawnola aba foka kon ngal promise min ne maje nga sanga nataliena albebe dere abtata hakala na koyko e maje nga falela la silo hani de ñol luhus halis hani yatambe kodo luhus lale mbadada ala itandila ko hani nga nyin kodo be don tale janne domestic boro inlo albe nyaaji janne bring bois sedi governor of central bank afintita janna ko na domestic debt bedani. I don't go into economics much because woman cannot feel it. Sedili wolu anin dudu jawna woli lonne ya kala lonne woman can la feel it bake. Ha so mbuka jam faje to bake nkanta kumo for me ya lonko this is social media tomorrow ndin sa jube and then they will call me a liar or something that I don't have a clue. I wouldn't be Adama Barrow to be clueless on issues and talk about it. No, I wouldn't do that. So, nyin lebe caring. Phone call nyin, iman so ala is not a gift. Until le sang na taxo, na tax kodolom. Ali I remember ko British Petroleum, BP, kodi ye molson kodi Jamal. Okodol bota wolle kono Gambia le tam so nyino mu kulti fonga wakil drong nga information nyininka and don't rely on one person because sometimes ikamo nyininkale among fengolong baraya fango forcer pour ka foye make more inquiries so that if ana yela tabulation oluke ye fam arrange maybe wolba fole nyamita explain no nyama exactly but if finansa di drong as to your own understanding but based on reality alinga wakil wola God will salvage our country niatra ko mbe country fight kan in reality but nimma fight in reality fontel fanal we have a motive doing that. We want to create enmity. We want to create hatred. Alata dilanna. This is why we have a wonderful policy. Why can't we sell that policy? Call IEC. Tell them that, go, look, this is the evidence here. What is your take on this? IECL regional branches all sotole. They will find out who that person is. What is he doing? IEC might engage the police. And the political parties have nothing to do there. It's a minkeno, it is citizen social keno. Well, to tell the IEC. Who knows whether Biri UDP aje or GMC aje or GDC aje they have done or not? Moma long. So alinkana Tariala kana alfal fanal blame kudola, which we don't know what is their effort in it. Wallahi, ni UDP nkolu nalia long, alia alfa sifal menulu soto. Alka kudol ka altakela. Honestly, I am 100% sure. Nalia long, alia alfa sifal menulu soto. Wallahi alka kudol ka altakela. Honestly. Altakira. Alnga determine. Back. Let's fight for our country. alin kana song nene role la ni be molla molu nene kan alin tel kana song. So APRC la coalition with these people, Barrow has shot himself on his leg. Alkana mutako chocho mimbebe kere, because APRC have to sign that agreement because already ila moli kodole ta. Yalo wotumo dudu jabe o noise me kanu ha Barrow ten dudu jaye nyine smell ko nyindolbe benefit kanne. So I have to cause an alarm so that either I join them or nge expose. So Biriye on Nanda on Duduja. Yeah, put on board. that is the thing. For Nyantan tell magic cool labam to know that? No. It's amanke magic. Nyantalonalgo. This is what transpired. Niaje Duduja now dancing to their tune. Thank you, Fatba. So they must sign. Nima sign. Albeni Adama Barrow moilale. Because ye kodoleta. Gambia. Adama Barrow gave APRC the money. Because APRC ko Gambia government seized their money and their cars. How many vehicles in Mawofo? How much in Mawofo? But the same APRC ko itella executive withdraw more than $10 million from their party's money. So why Gambia Bawojola? Nkali ajele. So alale kan telu dema nyilka expose. Alale kan dema. The money is withdrawn from a special account, which account I don't know, but the records will be there. Adama have a lot of questions to answer in the future. But science ta fight nola. Alia lonne ko African leadership, they got absolute powers. Ike found entrenched on people. Alinga will understand, they get absolute powers. Ikatara above the law. Wale atina, this is my disagreement with a lot of people in Africa and Gambia. I see people dancing because coup d'etat leketa Guinea. People are celebrating that because the man's supposed to go. Two wrongs cannot make right. Never. Yes, Alassane, Guinea former president, Yemin Muta, Atondi, Conde, Mobe Alone is one of the most stupid leader in this world. Sorry for this language. Because I constitutional Mutajane, I have falling to suit him. Adiata falling. Ako mote kuno la je. Bari imagine, mune mate mutala la ramoleka. After killing so many lives, itade ya mutala la ramoleka. It's wrong, Konde minke, but it is wrong, Dumbuya minke. So two wrongs cannot make right. So why are we to celebrate? It's the same way when Yaya Jammeh made a coup d'etat in Gambia, Gambian people celebrated. Mara labanta nyadi. Because Dumbuya is saying good things now because he doesn't know the secret. He doesn't know the office yet. He doesn't have this privilege to see their millions, to see their diamonds, to see their reserves. To know that and now I can build skyscraper for my grandma and aunties. I can put my uncles and direct only ambassador only Fongo. I have the power now. He doesn't know all these things yet. Alingambatu. Let him hand over the power to the civilian yeta election order. Soldiers belong to the army camp. Alinkana kudeta nene support blood. Wale atina, nino muntani mola different. This is why I always pray for those people who sacrifice for Gambia, especially the December 30th people. I pray for them, but I would never call them hero. And I stand on it. I'm sorry, ila family members, ikana miracle, I'm trying to reduce them. Yes, they wanted to, it is frustration, but it is wrong. And Bankamane was involved in it. Bankamane, wala na nimol ka diamu Banka. Last time I wrote it at Gizgiz, when Banka was there, I wrote there, I don't think Banka supposed to be part of this panel. When Banka was involved in something that is unlawful, But gis nkoli en now comment to jele. So many people like the comment, but moment trafokan. Even if my brother is there, I will tell him what you did is wrong, is wrong. You supposed not to take arm to take a democratic elected government. It is wrong. Fali amrante se disparate nyaonya mbafala go priya Adama Bondi Kidola. I would never support that. I want anyway Adama eta, but let us do it within the limits of democracy. Not through violence. Not unlawful. So wala na banka atenyanta chunoplale. He committed a crime in America, and then Gambia is sealing up his crime to make him what he is not. Fali amira banka be kumale fola Gambia government because banka ya alonoko nte tinyata America le. I ninkombe Gambia government fana against la. I have committed a crime. Gambia government could use that to pursue me. So now I have to dance to their tune. Support them, be a Jaliba to Adama Barrow and his government. And any government, serious government comes, I think they have to look into that. Normally. Bankaya life in America. Why do he live there now, based in Africa? Because now I am finished in America because no chance I have been involved in something to salvage Gambia, but in a wrong way lomo. So, iyewo minkenu niyatara nunkwa mandang State House Damaro fa janjanta. We have army barracks in Kudang, Kudang, Basse, Laminkoto, Yundum, Bakau, niyatara otata ke kelotini. How many lives will be there lost? So it is wrong. Well, this military coup d'etat in Guinea, nteneneta support la. I would love Doumbouya to hand over power to civilians. Let them go for election. Yes, let them go for election. Like Madabeo Nene Wolekenu in Sierra Leone. I could attack it and hand over. Atara fango prepare. Anata a contest election auto. Jumal Bafala Madabeo hand over the government now. Nobody. So it's about moral and integrity. So let us not support army takeover. Even though those greedy heads of states like Conde, Minke, it is totally wrong. Ginenkol fintita pruka fight. Aye bunkidola ayefa. Now let them prosecute him for that. Let them prosecute him for that. So George Weah, as a president of Liberia, if we the African wanted this coup d'etat to stop, we have to stop Purumolka constitution of falling to their own wishes. And Dunali, I remember, Guinea-Bissau found president Nene Afolenu Embalo. But Ali Amuel Africa President Jumale Nene is support aka. They will not support it. And George Weah or Mimvo, go be careful. Your colleagues will use this against you to undermine your government. Because if I follow go nying lafta min nantel mal la fola. Ibu kalafka power bula. Muna ne ibu kalafka power bula. They want to stay there. Muna ne kalafka stage because ila evil deeds le siata ila good deeds. It's like a clear example is Gambia. Clear example. Muna na adama ko ajareta e pura fa bara bitula nyim palaso to. Sai ali amwele ayatata kumo mfana vako mfama manso retire bari. Mbai Allah hidlako ntelba kila retirement la bara bala jusol sotolal. After Adama is always contradicting himself. After you withdraw the securities from Ousainou Darboe as former vice president. Ate amira mol nyina tawala bara teka nyina wala tinna Adama was supposed to be very much careful. And Nadia Muta we can't remind Kudol. You withdraw security. What is more important than Ousainou Darboe's security? What is more important than his security? Huh? And security is so important. But his security will withdraw where? Saika foko ni winter. Anyanta tala retire. Why do you want Ousainou Darboe to go for retirement? Should you talk about that? Federal anyanta ka for Ousainou Darboe. You know, he will go if he wishes. Gambia wants to send you for early retirement because ita wakai mom inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun. So dorong graftan ko sina dorong ni mole kaja sutun na dorong wi puru nganyo hakilol bulandi alnga na mind steadindi nkana chao alnga try mbenga therapy kem fanwe ñing aliajele ñing diamol mil bebe kerinde mbe ñing jama le moyla adama teng atata ñin tomin mbatu fana bina la combo because kim me ka solbe o ma fawn they will mobilize albe mo jara falba mirala ko fo Gambia bele jita jay muna jarta la ngata election ola ba ya tara fente je they will transport people all over na lafta wolonna na bina la combo dukare moya sacrifice yeta terminal olto yeta dulalto commissioners official be damiluto yeta alkalo lycée folia yeta la ni regional la regional head solia for example la chairman ol ni la chairwoman ol ni la yay company ol ni fongo alia jubie albe mol mil jele mil bina la je just to prepare. Because Adama ya believe like when Gambian people see large crowd, mobe ba fole molbe Adama no kan molba no kan. Time will tell. Yaya jamme birin nabe election ogala 2016. Mobe ka pisaljan ni mol findita ya jamme no kan. But Gambia la political trajectory imari nyanta wala fanam fan korosi la ya long. They will attempt foul plays. Obviously, it's Africa. Ibo attempt lale. But there are people minul banal wi alonko namolo alankana jutile effort sol milke kan they are trying to block their every evil deed like ilafaka minke people are working very hard alinkana wala do call fanal underrate alnga peace maintain and we have to know officially nte lafila political party yolu ibe diamu kan about economic la nala but they cannot attack Senegal directly. It is our allied, na allied solo. Although today, ila intelnite la temo mang favor, malafala, what they are doing to us. But we cannot do it aggressively because these are people minule alonko. We need them, they need us, and they are very close to us. Makesal, wallahi, makesal lafita kuria jama kela Gambia aba soto nola because he have the power, he have the potential. Aya sotole yalon fonga banku fulol la bilateral relationship of fanan korosi banko buka tamako ite ninte sita ninte lafta minna yake wonyama no it's not like that abuka ta wonyama there are protocols although Senegal be kujamale ke kantella we like ntelu na molu kake muneri medical tourists in Senegal which is favoring Senegal. Ne jube Senegal la GDP to ntelka kodo minjo Senegal la GDP to is too much. Very, very, very high amount of money. Because Gambia ibu jaral buga soto. You go Senegal. You know, so nyine biye. Al nga doman drong, we try to work on policies, nga diamu mole on policy matters, nga yitandi mola ko, ntelmanke molti kasi ka foko, fonyo bale binala, so mokana finti nyin lunkari, which is very premature. Which is very, very premature. Inyinatako, itele NPP nkolo minube ufoga, wo on the 18, ila keba, abe tolel, on the 18 batara silol, abe tola. So, nga mira fonyo be wula sukutal. Bari ibuka calculate so muna bar nan telbe kunta yamba bulala itella audio le noma nkonka wala explain we have other things because nyilman policy soto they always want to counter UDP la effort imam policy soto near policy soto no they would come and discuss it bari ma soto le ima soto so ndel kana na time waste kafuko fonyo bale binala mol kana findi because they panic la ni ngamra UDP la mito jam busumbal ila forum ol kono ba fo gani ni manga toñadi busumbal ande if on la ken ndogo hey al nga fani abula mol ñabe fetere minna mbe ba jube kam Facebook ol al ka fo mol ñinte busumbal so obviously So ngamira Usain Dabo la photocopy be banku dol le ka ani mo dol fana la photocopy be banku dol ka. So let us just advocate ko na moli finti in large numbers. Yeta Busumbala yeta Sukuta. Yeta Busumbala ye patio sembentuya ye molu sabanang ngadiamu mole maje kunu APRC kafo natami alongo the kafo comprises of 260 people 30 be Europe jang 230 be Gambia so ay itandiko kunu ila kafo mo be nata bari ye mo 50 wulindi mil tata e bulodi Usainu Dabola 50 plus so wol mu musunu ya koy akate mu APRC 100% net para sauntale nga jola muso moja diamuta jola account diamuta jola account yo wala tina nkanyole tonye. We have to understand what tribalism is. What je mbe nyole kunami kambe nyone neka tribalism nda bita mandingo futula mandingo bita jola futula jola bita surwa futula inga fonyo tribalism wotentelia just nka nyola mental fonko ndrom be wole takan kanyo brainwash alinga wol bula we are all the same so NPP I'll tell you keep on ka bula UDP no ka niela manifesto bondi aleta alkal ka because they are learning from us. They are learning from us. So alinga domando nge karandi on the fourth nge bondi je nge nyombu nge paga side nsine dundi mol kono nge samba tarapila nge dundi kono after the niela tarapil complete in say dunding kono because nyilbe tembo minto many of them are not with their mantra psychologically they have defection wolo mutonyati so because milman policies so they take kabula wolle no you need to find what are your policies, what are your principles, what are munamal tell la long count itanyanta wole find out la as a citizen imbemu banku din kendol leti ka fogo banku din kendolu fengol mbemu initel bemu banku din kendol leti bari itelu ye problem wala soto psychologically either they have a problem to understand or problem of greed, that is money, or they have some defection psychologically nyinno mu kumote. So ala baraka bake mbe danna janneto fo wati do be mo be control na bake ala baraka. Thank you so much.